In this video, I'm going to show you how to find a dead AirPod. So first, what you want to do is you want to open up Find My and then on devices and then locate your AirPods. Now, first, what you want to do, if you don't have, you need to finish doing this setup for your AirPods. But once you have done that, you should be able to have options like play sound. If it's alive, it should play sound. If it kinda remembered its last location, you will be able to get directions. You can turn on notify when found, or you can just mark it as lost, activate it, and then that product will be useless. And that's pretty much it. There's not much you can do if they are dead, unfortunately. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.